y'all. Welcome to Adrice's Kitchen 69 today. I'm so excited. I have a delicious recipe for you. Whitefish. Yes, I had taste for some fish. And I'm going to fry it up. First, I'm going to have me a little sip of some cooked champagne before I share with you the recipe, right? Ooh, delicious. So look, I've already seasoned it with some of our Sneevy's. Love that barbecue spice because we use it on everything. It's got all the right seasonings. But I want just a little more garlic. So I've already seasoned it. I got some yellow cornmeal. I'm going to put in this bag. I'm going to slice this baby here in half. And I'm going to fry her in my mother's old frying pot. Let me show you. Ooh. So look how it came out. You fry it for about 7 or 8 minutes. This is how I'm going to eat mine. With a scrambled egg, some rice and broccoli. Oh, my girlfriend, she was eating rice, eggs, and bacon, but I had taste for fish, egg, and rice. Yes, y'all. If you would like any of our products, like our Sneevy's barbecue spice, go to sunmoonproducts.com, y'all, and order you some. I'll ship it to you in the mail. You know this is the kind of meal you need a cold mug of beer with. On top of drinking with the champagne, right? Well, have fun. Play with your recipes. Enjoy life.